Hi all. Welcome to Node.js application deployment, using Puppet demo. In this video, we are going to demonstrate the deployment of Node.js applications, using the Puppet configuration management tool, on 3 different operating systems: CentOS, Red Hat-based, Ubuntu, Debian-based, and Windows. The complete process is orchestrated, through the Jenkins Pipeline. The tools, which are used in this Node.js application deployment are GitLab, for source code management; Jenkins, for continuous integration; SonarQube, for code quality checks; JFrog, for Artifactory management; Puppet, for configuration management and continuous deployment; Terraform, to provision the servers on OpenStack; OpenStack, as private cloud. Let's explore the workflow of Node.js application deployment, stage by stage. In the first stage, we will provision 3 virtual machines on OpenStack, CentOS, Ubuntu, and Windows, using Terraform. A Jenkins job is written, to pull the Terraform code from GitLab, execute it against OpenStack, to provision 3 virtual machines, and add DNS entry for those 3 machines. In the next stage, Jenkins job will pull the Node.js application source code from GitLab. A webhook is configured on GitLab, so that the ongoing deployment job will trigger automatically when a commit happens on a particular branch. In the next stage, the Node.js application source code will be built, either in Jenkins master or slaves, based on the target operating system. In case any failures in the build step, pipeline will be aborted. The deployment package will be archived on Jenkins for future use. In this next stage, Jenkins uses the SonarQube scanner plugin for continuous inspection of code quality, to perform automatic reviews with static analysis of code to detect bugs, code smells, and security vulnerabilities. SonarQube offers reports on duplicated code, coding standards, unit tests, code coverage, code complexity, comments, bugs, and security vulnerabilities. When the code doesn't meet the quality standards, an alert mail will be triggered to the development team, and the pipeline will be aborted. Once the code meets the quality standard, the archived Node.js application package will be pushed to the JFrog Artifactory repository. In the final stage, Jenkins will execute the Puppet agent in all the servers, which will perform the below tasks on the target server. Download and install Node.js. Download, install and configure npm and Express. Pull the package from JFrog and unzip the package and start Node.js. Finally, the Node.js application will be deployed into all 3 servers. Let's see the pipeline in action. First, we will create 3 servers. We have a separate Jenkins job for creating the servers. This job will create 3 servers in the OpenStack. Let's trigger the job. The job has been completed now. Let us check the OpenStack. Here we can see all 3 servers were created: CentOS, Ubuntu, and Windows. Let's browse the servers on Node.js port, to see whether the Node.js application is hosted on these 3 servers, one by one. This is the Node.js application webpage of the CentOS server. This is the Node.js application webpage of the Ubuntu server. Finally, this is the Node.js application webpage of the Windows server. So, all 3 web pages don't contain any content, as the code deployment was not triggered yet. Now, let us see how the continuous integration and continuous deployment of the Node.js application happen via the Jenkins pipeline. Let us trigger the Jenkins pipeline for Node.js application deployment. In the first stage, the Jenkins pipeline job is preparing the servers for Puppet execution, adding all the servers as nodes to the Puppet server, and then add the respective modules to Node. In the next stage, the Jenkins pipeline job is pulling the source code from GitLab, and in the next stage, it will build the Node.js source code, either in Jenkins master or slaves, based on the target operating system. In the next stage, SonarQube analysis is getting executed, and it is validated against the quality gate. As the quality gate is passed, the Jenkins pipeline is pushing the built binary package to JFrog Artifactory. In the final stage of deployment, the Jenkins pipeline job will execute Puppet agent on all 3 servers. As the modules is already added to all the nodes, it is installing Node.js, installing and configuring npm and pm2, pulling the package from JFrog, and deploying that package in the server using npm. Now, the deployment has been completed. Let us refresh the web pages to see whether the Node.js application is deployed and hosted on all the servers. We can view the Node.js webpage for CentOS server, Ubuntu server, and Windows server. Let us see the continuous integration and continuous deployment in action. As a developer, let me make a visible change in the source code via GitLab UI and see how the changes are automatically deployed into the servers. Here, I am changing the heading in the application, which should be visible in the application after the automated deployment. Let's commit the changes. Let's see Jenkins. Here the pipeline job has been triggered automatically via a webhook as the administrator user. The pipeline is getting completed. Now the changes should be deployed on all 3 servers. Let us refresh the web pages. For the CentOS server, here we can see the updated web page. And for the Ubuntu server, this is the updated web page. And finally, for the Windows server, this is the updated web page. This is the complete workflow Node.js application deployment, using Puppet on the various OS platforms. For more information, please browse www.zippyops.com. Please follow us on social media, links are available in the description. Like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to our channel for the latest happenings on DevOps. Thank you for watching this video.